So, only nine funam medical outreach. Zion, ndị nọ n'obodo oyibo, Association of the Medical Doctors, the medical team, they are together. We put up that 10 days medical outreach. And in Anyefuna, many people see from Akwa Ibom, from different states, we assemble on Ngor Okpala. And it has been going on for, I think today should be that the third day or the fourth or the second day. Now, no Matthias was somebody selling no sholo or Ganiru Ndibo. Ona Matthias was somebody selling no from Ndibo Nanya. Why no ye opportunity? When yaka announce to his people, Kahamal, they will free medical outreach in Aga on Ngor Okpala. And any test, any result of that test go sell, now you new treatment free of charge. Can you pattern or you queer? Nurse na before na gwande mmadụ onwe ife mere uguju na ọgwụ blah. Kedu ife kpata no for opportunity ndị nke ye eji wee benefit from this medical outreach uzo shie ye osho ka ndị otu emalo onye ka nji wese na that young man is not working for the general interest of ndị Igbo. He is working for his own interest, whether you like it or not. And thank God Nande also one Nandi Igbo Titi, the wise enough to reject him, because Nahamana, the man who is a selfish human being who is working solely for his own interest. It doesn't matter what you think. Do you know what it means for somebody to say that I stand for humanity? I have said it countless times. If you stand for humanity, it is you are not concerned. Show him a religious background there. Take for instance, this medical outreach in Aga on Ngor Okpala now. Are you a Zionite? So also question when you the mother to Jojo how Kelu kisi we malo na this outreach in Aga on. Of which no know ye let's say na Matthias announce or yendo to no kaye. Na jo yonya no nya yase no only see aye Matthias announce la ye. You see? But one condition doka ni wonye Zion, one condition doka ni wonye Catholic, one condition doka na ya wonye Anglican, one condition doka na ya wonye a Christian. What it means is that whether you are a pagan, whether you are a whether you are a Christian, whether you belong to at all, you are welcome to Ngor Okpala. The medical outreach is for everybody. That's why people will travel from different states. We better Ngor Okpala for that particular exercise. So somebody do so much anxious about our people getting proper medical help they need. Somebody say we no go on and the mother need to stop where, which is lies anyway. Anytime we choluka obugare ko bolu ndem mmadụ ka ọma gwa na ndị yenye ego. Anytime we need the ego, ọma ma present ya one case. I have gotten almost 90 to 80 to 90% of information needed about that hospital. Also, no well. Today, me release ka bido cheka. Oya donye ona ka. Oya donye myself ka film. Today, me release ka bido cheka. Oya donye mmadu ka film. You want to go? So somebody is too so much anxious about our people getting proper medical assistance. Hanidiri. Somebody do ne preach you go on health insurance bendosha where you will be putting 100 naira, 200 naira, but say you won't have to pay. Fuzilebe anashinye ndemado medical help. Or chorozi call attention of his people to go and benefit, which nobody will ask you where you come from. Onwemboko and the bomelu free liver and the kidney function test. Afwan Kamataya say announce urundo to aje ka hapate kiene. Some are best. I think 10 days free medical checkup and treatment in a hospital, yeah, which made us like when you go to Lagos, see from anywhere. Go Biaba. I did not see Matthias announce it. Many people make go free medical treatment, and I have never seen him advertise it and tell his people go and benefit. This is exactly what my preaching is all about. You will not see him do that. Matthias is just a competitor who doesn't know who to go and do the competition with. You gotta go. Because why in the say that he doesn't know? You don't have to fight or or be in a competition with the people we are supposed to be learning from. What do I mean? You are in the ministry of people now. Ministry no ministry well a lot to do with people believing what you are saying. And I go before now for him to know that different interests. Which in that these are common people follow church teaching. Church teaching as something that is piercing their emotion, not emotion, that is piercing their conscience anytime family for job. So what do they need to do? What they need to do is to organize themselves together to fight against Oka, because no Oka will that message that they have been fighting with. Onye ogbu mmadụ wo message do na Bible. We fenya na onye na akwa iko, onye na eme ife ọwụna, all that message. All message ya wonya ka ya deme na your conscience ya da gwa on if female adụghọ mma. So they have their own interest of aligning with Matthias. Not that na ha buy whatever thing on ekwu, because agbogbo na ọwụrụ na etu ha si claim na ha nwere numbers na Facebook na ha align with ife Matthias na-eme. Matthias physical gathering ye o yenwego overflow. Mana every Sunday etu ha ka ha. Even different branches on the everywhere. Every Sunday have the 5 no na table can they be when I they lack, they are not organized. You think that getting people each and all this if and the person Lazarus Moka, Luna, Amoka Kogono, Kobalalam, the more they see all over well and there. It shall not this. One day it takes a lot for people to have a kind of belief and trust in you to that level. So these are the people you should be learning from. You should learn from them and know how they manage to do it. And if you want to know how they do it, I will tell you. I will tell you. They are doing it. It's not even of their making. It is the making of somebody who is far more superior and powerful than them. So it is a fact that you must accept. So if truly that you love Igbo and you want this medical assistance to be at the reach of every Igbo man, free medical outreach, you should be able to announce it and tell people that this is what you are talking about. They should go and they benefit from it. And when you go with somebody who could not reach you, or when you go with somebody who are accessible to you, when you can get this information from you, the person will go to Ngor Okpala or with assistance only. So it's so sad how you keep thinking that you are teaching people the same hospital Akudo Newi Anglican Diocese where Immaculate Heart Hospital, wo Catholic Diocese of Newi where Iyenu Mission Hospital, wo Ndoka where I can mention many of them. Apostle Shibuzo of OPM were more than 10 to 13 free hospitals. So there is nothing you are teaching us that we don't know. Yes, there is nothing you are teaching us that we don't know. Start acting. Exactly the reason your people you were rejected, and they don't even have any regret for rejecting an antichrist like you. What if also you are just in an unhealthy competition, which will not even take you to anywhere apart from little penny, and the afo in a gather on the ground, which cannot even amount to anything. So Matthias is bigger than your entire generation. All from them do to lose more of your weapon. How much my own generation? Because I go going to clear that Matthias and now the part of the generation ebensi weapon. If no can am one on annual no be forge or have anything, no do me notice here. Because ebensi will be sure happen too big. All the idea fitting go nime. Yeah, this is a Zugo.